Founded in 2006, Ocean Star is a leading manufacturer of daily chemical products. Based in Ningbo, China, our group includes 2 import-export companies, 2 overseas branches, and 2 manufacturing facilities. Our aim is to deliver high-quality solutions for households and industries globally. Our R&D lab focuses on developing, testing, and refining formulas to ensure our products meet the highest standards of safety, effectiveness, and innovation. We continually improve our formulas to adapt to changing market demands and offer our customers the very best. In collaboration with our in-house 3D design team, we also create cutting-edge product designs that merge functionality with aesthetics. Ocean Star's product categories cover a wide range of needs. We specialize in toilet cleaners, air fresheners, home care, car care, personal care, and other household chemical products. Our manufacturing process reflects precision and quality, from sourcing premium raw materials to producing finished products. We pride ourselves on maintaining the highest level of production efficiency and consistency to deliver the best to our customers. Quality is at the core of our operations. Every step in our production process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest standards are met. We adhere to global standards like BSCI, ISO, REACH, and UL to ensure our products are safe, effective, and high quality. Our certified factories meet rigorous audits, ensuring worldwide compliance and customer satisfaction. Our QC team inspects every batch from raw materials to the final product, generating detailed reports to ensure only top-quality products leave our facilities. From here, Ocean Star's products are shipped to every corner of the world to provide superior solutions for our customers. Discover perfection, honor quality.